In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Etsy shop link ready for Instagram in an easy and efficient way. We'll take you through a few simple steps to ensure your audience can find your shop without any hassle when they visit your Instagram profile. Let's start by finding your Etsy shop URL. Every Etsy shop has a unique URL that you can easily locate. Simply log into your Etsy account and navigate to your shop's homepage. The URL in your browser's address bar is your Etsy shop URL. This link can be used to direct people straight to your shop, making it convenient for customers to discover your products. Once you have your Etsy shop URL, consider customizing or shortening it, which is optional but certainly recommended. Instagram only allows clickable links in your bio, so it's important to make it concise and neat. One popular tool is bit.ly, where you can shorten your URL and even customize it to something like https bit.ly/my Etsy shop, giving it a more personalized touch. If you're someone who needs to share multiple links, using a link in bio tool is a great choice. Services like Linktree, Beacons, or Later's link in bio let you compile various links under one customized URL that you can place in your Instagram bio. Next, let's add your Etsy link to your Instagram profile. If you're using a mobile device, head to your Instagram profile and find the Edit Profile option. Within this section, you'll see a field labeled Website. Here, simply paste your Etsy shop URL or your Linktree URL. After you've done this, remember to save your changes by tapping Done. Now, when people visit your Instagram bio, they'll be just a click away from your Etsy shop. Finally, let's talk about promoting your shiny new link. A good call to action, or CTA, can be incredibly effective in getting your followers to take action. Consider adding something catchy like "Shop my handmade crafts below" right in your bio to encourage users to click. Moreover, don't forget to mention your link in posts and stories. A simple link in bio to shop in your captions or story text can direct viewers where to go, maximizing your profile's reach and engagement. Follow these straightforward steps and your Etsy shop link will be perfectly integrated into your Instagram profile, making it easier for your audience to explore your unique offerings. Thanks for watching and happy selling!